In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your work hours in Microsoft Teams. This is really useful if your schedule has changed, you work different hours than the default 9 to 5, or you want your availability in Teams to better match your actual working day. First, open Microsoft Teams on your computer and make sure you're signed in with the account where you want to adjust your hours. From the main Teams window, look toward the top right corner and click on your profile picture or initials. This opens a small menu where you can access your personal settings. In that menu, look for the option labeled Settings and click it. A new window or panel will appear with several categories on the left-hand side. These categories control different aspects of how Teams looks and behaves for you. Now, in the Settings panel, find and select the Calendar or Work Hours section. Depending on your version of Teams or your organization's setup, this might be called Calendar, Work Hours, and Location, or something very similar, but it will always relate to your schedule. Once you're in that section, you should see your current working hours and working days. This is where you can customize the time range that represents your workday. For example, if you work from 8 in the morning until 4 in the afternoon, you can adjust the start time to 8 a.m. and the end time to 4 p.m. You can also choose which days of the week you work. If you have a non-standard week, like Tuesday to Saturday, make sure only those days are selected. Take a moment to review your settings carefully. These hours are what your calendar uses to show others when you're generally available for meetings. If someone tries to book time with you outside of these hours, they'll see that it's outside your normal schedule, which can help reduce after-hours meeting requests. After you've adjusted the start and end times and selected the correct working days, make sure any Save or Apply button is clicked, if one appears. In some versions of Teams, your changes will save automatically, but it's always a good idea to double-check before you close the window. Once you're done, close the Settings panel and return to your calendar in Teams. Your updated work hours should now be reflected there. From now on, when colleagues view your calendar or propose meetings, they'll see the hours you've set as your standard working time.